An eye on China, and that was the big thing today. We saw the Shanghai rebar price, which is the most highly traded steel contract, down by 3.1% during the Asian session, although iron ore prices were quite flat. And of course what we were watching was the Flash HSBC PMI numbers coming out of China. So 47.8 is what it's come through at, and I guess that while that was better than the August number, it wasn't enough to allay concerns around China. And what's incredible has been the reaction in terms of the Aussie dollar. If we have a look at the Aussie dollar over the past day, this is what it looks like. And we're back under 104 US cents, which is where we were trading around before the quantitative easing announcement was made. It's been an absolutely extraordinary month. We've seen Ben Bernanke with his unlimited quantitative easing program, the European Central Bank with its bond buying program, and Japan also accelerating its easing program as well. And yet the Aussie dollar, we are seeing some weakness back below 104 US cents, and of course the Aussie share market seeing some weakness now as well.
Off 5,000 in the not too distant future?
Well, things are coming together very well. We've seen that quantitative easing announcement out of the US, European Central Bank, and Japan with accelerating their program as well. So if we have a look at the market reaction in September, it has been a positive one. We've seen the Australian market up by 1.2%, and of course it's been the material space which has really outperformed in that time, up by 4.7%. Today we saw a bit of a rest, so it was those material stocks which were out of favour, and instead we did see some of those safe haven assets being bought up. We saw the likes of Westfield up by 1.3%. We also saw Telstra gaining 1.1% and Woolworths gaining 0.8%. But we've already started to see the market run. We're now having a look at some key technical levels, and if we can really get over that 4,400 point bump quite convincingly, we're breaking new ground for the Aussie share market over the last 52 weeks.